Muslin, cotton. Imported. Breathable open weave cotton muslin wearable blanket replaces loose blankets for safer sleep. Handy two-way zipper that unzips from bottom for easy diaper changes. Unzips from the top makes it easy to place baby in sack. Plus zipper guard to protect baby's skin. Premium cotton muslin, pre-washed for softness and gets softer with every wash. Sizes. Small, 0 to 6 months, fits up to 28 inches, medium, 6 to 12 months, fits up to 32 inches, large, 12 to 18 months, fits up to 35 inches. Imported. The amazing baby cotton muslin sleeping sack is perfect when baby is ready to transition from swaddling. The breathable, soft open weave, single-layer wearable blanket replaces loose blankets for safer sleep. The premium cotton muslin gets softer with every wash and is appropriate for warmer environments. The handy two-way zipper zips down from the top, making it easy to place baby into sack, and also zips up from the bottom, making diaper changes easy. Wear over pajamas to replace loose blankets. Exclusive design by artist and mom, Lynette Damir. Small fits up to 28. Medium fits up to 32. Large fits up to 35. Machine washable. Designed and manufactured by SwaddleDesigns. Top reviews from the United States. True to size. Great lightweight sleep sack. My son sleeps comfortably in these and doesn't get too hot. But I wanted to write a review because I saw someone else saying the medium was only a little larger than the small. I don't know if I got a weirdly large one or the other reviewer got an extra small, but the medium is significantly bigger than the small. If you need a small, get small, otherwise a tiny baby will be swimming in a medium.